If you've ever wanted to create pro-level AI art, thumbnails, or even game assets without hiring a designer, Leonardo AI is about to blow your mind. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know. From signing up to creating your first masterpiece, Leonardo AI is, at its core, a powerful AI-powered tool for art generation. It takes your text descriptions, known as prompts, and transforms them into unique, high-quality images. But what makes it a favorite among creators? Three things: speed, style, and simplicity. You can generate incredible visuals in seconds, not hours. The platform offers a massive range of artistic styles, from photorealistic portraits to vibrant anime scenes, ensuring your content never looks generic. And most importantly, its interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it far more approachable than some of its competitors. When people talk about AI art, you often hear names like Midjourney or DALL-E. While they are fantastic tools, Midjourney primarily operates through a Discord server, which can be intimidating for beginners. DALL-E is powerful, but can sometimes feel more clinical. Leonardo AI strikes a perfect balance, offering a dedicated, web-based platform with a suite of tools designed specifically for creators who need to produce a variety of assets quickly. One of the best parts is its accessibility. Leonardo operates on a token-based system. You get a generous allotment of free tokens every single day, which is more than enough to experiment and create a good number of images. If you become a power user and need more, there are affordable paid plans that give you more tokens, faster generation times, and access to premium features. For most creators starting, the free plan is the perfect entry point. Getting started with Leonardo AI is incredibly straightforward. First, navigate to the Leonardo AI website. You'll see a prominent button that says Launch App or Get Started. Clicking this will take you to the sign-up page. You don't need to create a brand new account with a password you'll forget. You can simply sign in using your existing Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. It's a one-click process that gets you in the door immediately. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It might look like a lot at first, but it's organized very logically. On the left side, you have your main navigation panel. Here you'll find the community feed, where you can see what other users are creating, a fantastic source of inspiration. You'll also see your personal feed, which stores all the images you've generated. Further down, you'll find other powerful tools like texture generation and the AI canvas, which we'll touch on later. But for now, the most important section is AI image generation. Clicking on that takes you to the Creative Hub. This is where the magic happens. At the top of the screen, you'll find the prompt input box. This is where you'll type the description of the image you want to create. Just below that, you'll see the negative prompt box, which is just as important. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with all the critical settings. This is where you choose your model, which is essentially the AI's core art style. You can select models fine-tuned for realism, fantasy, anime, and more. You'll also find settings for the number of images to generate, the aspect ratio, and other quality controls. It's a clean layout designed to get you from idea to image as fast as possible. Now, let's create our first image together. The key to any great AI image is a great prompt. Vague prompts give vague results. Specificity is your best friend. For this Leonardo AI tutorial, let's try creating something dynamic. I'll type in a descriptive prompt. A hyper-realistic, cinematic close-up photograph of a stoic astronaut, face visible through the helmet's visor, reflecting a swirling purple and blue nebula, dramatic lighting, 8K, ultra-detailed. Let's break that down. I didn't just say an astronaut. I specified the style, hyper-realistic, cinematic photograph, the shot type, close-up, the subject's expression, stoic, a key detail, reflection of a nebula, and the lighting, dramatic. These details give the AI a clear roadmap. Next is the negative prompt. This is where you tell the AI what to avoid. It's crucial for cleaning up results and avoiding common AI mistakes. A good starting point for a negative prompt is something like cartoon, drawing, illustration, blurry, deformed, disfigured, extra limbs, bad anatomy, ugly. This helps ensure the final image is clean and professional. With our prompts in place, I'll check the settings on the left. I'll make sure a photorealistic model like Leonardo Diffusion XL is selected, and I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 which is perfect for a YouTube thumbnail. Now, I'll hit the Generate button. It will use a few of my daily tokens, and in just a few moments, Leonardo will present 4 different variations based on my prompt. From here, I can review the results. Let's say one of them looks absolutely perfect. The lighting is just right, and the reflection is stunning. To get it ready for use, I need to upscale it. Hovering over the image reveals a set of options. I'll click the Upscale button. This process uses a few more tokens but intelligently enhances the image, increasing its resolution, and adding finer details without losing quality. And just like that, we've gone from a simple text idea to a breathtaking, high-resolution piece of art in minutes. This is the core workflow to create stunning images with AI. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore Leonardo's more advanced features to gain even more creative control. First up are the style presets and fine-tuned models. We already used a photorealistic model, but there are dozens to choose from. You can select Anime Pastel Dream for a soft, illustrative look, or Dream Shaper for epic fantasy art. Experimenting with different models is the fastest way to change the entire mood and aesthetic of your creations. Next is the AI Canvas Editor, which is an absolute game changer. This is an interactive workspace where you can edit your generated images with AI. It has 2 incredibly powerful functions, in-painting and out-painting. In-painting allows you to select a specific part of an image and regenerate just that area. Imagine your astronaut image is perfect, but you don't like the design of the helmet's latch. You can simply mask that area and type a prompt like futuristic magnetic lock, and the AI will replace it seamlessly. Outpainting, or unzooming, does the opposite. It allows you to expand the image beyond its original borders. You can take that close-up of the astronaut and generate what's around them, turning a portrait into a full-blown scene in a spaceship cockpit. Then there are the prompt magic tools. Sometimes you know what you want but aren't sure how to phrase it. Prompt Magic analyzes your prompt and enhances it behind the scenes, often producing more detailed and accurate images. It boosts the AI's understanding of your concept. Then there's batch generation. You can increase the number of images generated at once from 4 to 8, giving you more options in a single run. So how can you use all this as a creator? The possibilities are endless. The most obvious use is YouTube thumbnails. You can create unique, eye-catching visuals tailored to your video's topic in minutes, without searching stock photo sites. For gaming or storytime creators, Leonardo is a goldmine for backgrounds and assets. Generate custom fantasy landscapes for a D&D campaign, character portraits for a visual novel, or unique background loops for streams. If you're an artist or designer, it's great for rapid concept art. Brainstorm character designs for a comic or environmental concepts for an animation, generating dozens of variations in the time it would take to sketch one. This speeds up the creative process. It's also perfect for social media posts. Create a consistent stream of branded, high-quality images for Instagram, Twitter, or your blog, keeping your feed fresh and visually appealing. To get the most from Leonardo AI, keep prompts short but specific. Include key elements of style, subject, and setting. Experiment with aspect ratios: 16, 9 for videos and banners, 9:16 for shorts, reels, and TikToks, as the AI composes images differently for each. Always save and export final images in high resolution. Use the upscaler for any image featured prominently. A blurry image looks unprofessional, and the upscaler ensures a crisp finish. Most importantly, use Leonardo AI to enhance creativity, not replace it. It can execute your vision, help break through creative blocks, and visualize ideas quickly, but the core idea must come from you. Now you know how to use Leonardo AI to create stunning art in minutes. From understanding the dashboard to mastering advanced features like the AI Canvas, you have the toolkit to elevate your projects. The only limit is how creative your prompts can be. For more tutorials on AI tools that save time and grow your channel, hit subscribe and check out the next video on your screen.